Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on iPad, so let's start. This info you can get on microsoftxbox.com. Here you can check first if your Apple device is good for your iCloud gaming. So how you can do it? Well, here are tips that you can check. Look iCloud gaming on Apple devices. So you have to check the play on your support web browser. So here you have to check on xbox.com/play on support browser and sign in with your Microsoft account to play. For more info, go to support browser, cloud gaming, and remote play on web. Okay, so you can go here and you can check here if your iPad is good for your gaming. So Safari 14 or later, Google Chrome version 85 or later. So you can check here, and then if your device is good for it, where you can launch in Safari, browse, then go to display and select share button and select add to home screen. Okay, so make sure your minimum system requirements. So if your system is iOS 14 or later or Bluetooth 40 or later, you can do it. Networking 10 megabytes or higher iPhone, so you can check it. Also, you can understand the mobile networking recommendations about by Wi-Fi or about that cellular gameplay. It's important to know that it's better to play with Wi-Fi than the cellular gameplay, so you can check it. And well, you can start playing. When you check the requirements, you check you have a good connection, then you can start playing the cloud gaming without any problem. Start inviting your friends. If you want to deactivate your account or something like that, well, you can start doing this. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this information helps you. Also, if you need more help, you can start chat with the support, and the virtual agent will help you with fix the problem if you have it. So thank you for watching this video. If you need more help, please write on the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.